You see, it's very unfortunate. It's very unfortunate because the politics that we play, people will insinuate, and of course, people can leverage on if they know that there is a relationship that is not so smooth between two people to create further digressions and diversions. I know that Senator Mishore, from what I know about him, he is not that kind of person who will plan evil or wrought evil or try to get somebody out of the way, because he has, give that to him, he has very solid confidence in his own abilities. So most of the time that's what he relies on, his confidence in his own abilities, his confidence that he will work, and he works very hard. Take that also. He works as hard as anybody can to ensure that whatever results that will come as a result of hard work. What happened to Chibola Ige was very unfortunate, and that's what still pains me as a person, that we are not able to unravel what happened to Chibola Ige. That we are not able to, as a country today, lay our hands on the killers of Chibola Ige. It's very, very painful to people like us, and that's why some of these insinuations continue. I hope we will be able to equip our law enforcement agencies to such an extent that issues like this will easily get resolved. You see insinuations and insinuations. The late Williams was murdered. Till today, nobody knows. And I'm sure if there are people, if anybody had a disagreement with him 1 or 2 days earlier, his name would have been the one to be mentioned now, and so on. Even in my own state, we lost one of the most vibrant people, Ayodele Amola. Till today, no solution. So these occurrences, and you know, there can always be circumstantial, conditions that people will now, especially people who want to divert attention from themselves, will now, hey, this is what has happened, and it's very unfortunate. I feel very much for the family of Baba Bola Ige, because he's somebody that all of us love. But I want to say very much that it would have been joy to us if the police were able to unravel what happened, and I'm sure it would have been a very different story from some of the theories that were being propagated.